Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will analyze the UGC NET September Shift 1 paper. So let's start the analysis for paper 1 of 25th September Shift 1. If we are talking about the questions which have been come from higher education's unit, so in that unit the questions were like that they asked that when Takshila University declared by UNESCO as a heritage and when yoga was made integral, and the question is also upon Rashtriya Uttrin Shiksha Abhiyan. And for environment unit, the maximum questions are completely based upon the MDG goals. The questions from MDG goals were also asked on the first day of a paper, that is on 24th September 2020, and that means it is being on repetitive. Now talking about maths reasoning, there are 4 questions related to it. One question is related to the alphabet series, while 3 questions are from number series and that are quite easy. Regarding logical reasoning, so there are 3 or 4 questions which are based upon logical reasonings, and there was one question on fallacies, and rest of the questions were on sequence of Anuman and scale of opposition. The scale of opposition is again the repetitive. Now regarding the teaching aptitude and the research aptitude, from both the unit, the questions were completely based upon the concepts. So your concepts should be clear. In teaching aptitude, the questions are related to the effective teaching maxims, while in research aptitude, it was based upon types of research, some conceptual provision regarding the hypothesis and their process, that means their steps in order to do research. Also there were questions on type 1 and type 2 error, and DI was very easy. Questions were related to school transport, that means the data has been given to you, just you have to calculate the percentage of it. Regarding communication unit, so the classroom communication concept is repetitive one. Regarding ICT, that were based upon abbreviations and binary conversion, like you have to expand the term IoT, that is Internet of Things. So the questions related to these units are quite easy. So guys, this is all about the analysis regarding UGC NET September 2020 exam of shift 1 of 25th September. Thank you guys, thanks for watching and all the very best and do your well.